All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Revolution's mentor training for the Ambassador Committee. We're excited to have you all involved with the amazing work our ambassadors will be doing. Before we get started with the training, we can talk a little bit about Revolution and the Ambassador Program. Revolution is a non-for-profit organization that focuses on inspiring girls and gender nonconforming youths who are facing multiple barriers to embracing STEM careers. We're based in Ontario, Canada, and Revolution is the go-to place for gender nonconforming youth, particularly girls from underserved communities, to come to in order to advance in the 21st century skills. We exist to create opportunities for the next generation of women in STEM, connecting them with leaders in the industry for career support. We listen to the needs of the community and that of the STEM industry to better help the next generation of underserved youth with a focus on young women to enter STEM. The Ambassador Program at Revolution was started to help young women in Ontario promote their passion for STEM while improving gender equity in related fields. As an ambassador, these young women help open doors to like-minded individuals by creating new opportunities for them to learn about and explore careers in STEM. Ambassadors also engage with various STEM-related companies to support Revolution and its programs. The program originally launched in 2020, and since then, the ambassadors have focused on things such as raising awareness on STEM education for girls, raising funds for Revolution, and working with a team of mentors to help plan and execute the Go STEM program. How does mentorship work? You'll be paired with a group of ambassadors that you will mentor throughout the remainder of 2022. You'll be connected through our program's Slack channel and have the ability not only to communicate by text, but by phone or video as well. As a mentor, you'll communicate with your ambassador team to identify any gaps and provide them with support that they need to achieve their goals. You'll be providing them with guidance and helping them hone skills which will help them in their future careers. So, what does a good mentor look like? A good mentor is someone who has skills in professionalism and project management, as well as experience with pitching. Most importantly, mentors should be passionate about supporting the ambassadors and their projects. Passion is a huge factor in the success of our ambassadors. The most important part of being a mentor is to help the ambassadors grow and build their skills. Ambassadors are looking to build their skills in communication, public speaking, and teamwork. As a mentor, your experiences and guidance will help them build these skills. Your guidance will play a big role in building up our ambassadors' confidence and helping them learn new things along the way. Now, let's go over some responsibilities of a mentor. The biggest responsibility as a mentor is to listen to your ambassadors and to understand their strengths and weaknesses so you can help guide and support them. It's important to remember that our ambassadors come from all different types of backgrounds and experiences, so getting to know them is a good first step in becoming a great support system for them. Throughout your mentorship, you'll be pushing your ambassadors to help them overcome their weaknesses and help them successfully complete all their projects. So how can you help? Remember that the ambassadors are here to learn from you, so it's great if you have lots of resources to share and you're able to share your knowledge. By being goal-oriented, you'll be able to set an example for our ambassadors and guide them through the process of setting goals and achieving them. Most importantly, be sure to listen to the ambassadors' needs and encourage relationship building. This will not only help them build communication skills, but will also help them get familiarized with networking. Last but not least, the biggest way you can help is by simply being there to give advice to our ambassadors and help solve any problems they run into with their projects. To summarize, the main role as mentors is to support the ambassadors. This involves doing things such as networking with STEM-related companies, creating pitch decks, creating and facilitating workshops and STEM-related events such as Go STEM, as well as fundraising and other additional guidance in the field. Now, let's talk about some frequently asked questions about mentoring and our ambassadors. How do we set up ambassadors for success? Like we mentioned previously, your main goal as a mentor is to help the ambassadors be successful in their endeavors through the ambassador program. You can help them achieve success by helping them set goals, providing mentorship and guidance in achieving those goals. Ensuring that your ambassador team is on the right track by having frequent and consistent meetings with checklists to track progress on goals and open communication is a great way to set your team on the path to success. How do I communicate with my team? The majority of your communication will most likely take place on Slack. You'll be added to the Slack before the program starts. For mentors, the two channels of importance will be #2022-mentor, where you'll be able to talk to other mentors, and your team channel, where you can directly communicate with your team. Alongside Slack, you can conduct team meetings on Google Meet. You can also set up other means of communication with your team based on yours and their preferences. Who do I reach out to if I need help? There are different resources that you can reach out to if you need help. The mentor Slack channel is there to serve as a resource and support between all the mentors and the committee members. If you need help on a personal issue, you can reach out to internal contacts, to the committee, the chair, the vice chairs, or our CEO, Doina. This is some contact information. We have a couple of emails here. The ambassador@hervolution.org email is monitored by our committee and its members, and the CEO Doina's email is listed here as well for any direct contact you'd like to have with her. And that about wraps up our session. It's very brief, just a couple of high-level highlights. Happy to answer any questions and stick around after this. Hope you're all excited to start mentoring our ambassadors. And if you have any other questions that you think of after this, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, everyone.